Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I had the pleasure to review the Monsgeek M1 V5 with VIA support. This is the timeline version with the Akko Rosewood switches, but they kindly also provided me with extra stellar rose switches, which in my opinion is slightly louder and creamier. Later in this video there will be sound tests with and without mods, but first let's take a look at what comes in the box. So the keyboard has a smoother finish, unlike the M1 V3, which I reviewed a few months ago. And I really like the accented keycaps, but if these are not your cup of tea, there are many others to choose from. I will be changing mine though because I have been dying to use a set of white keycaps I purchased a few months ago to make a white on white keyboard. So just like the M1 V3, they provided an extra set of screw-in stabilizers on top of the plate-mounted ones already installed. After testing the plate-mounted stabilizers, I don't find a need in switching them out for these, but it is nice they provided an extra set which I can use on a different board. Wired and wireless mode is managed by the switch under the caps lock button. To connect the keyboard via Bluetooth or with a 2.4 GHz receiver, you'll use the function key as usual. Overall, I find the lighting average in this keyboard. Directly from the keyboard, you can switch between 16 lighting effects, but with the VIA software, you can change custom colors and choose from even more effects. Unfortunately, I believe you can't change the RGB directly from the keyboard, but you can with the VIA software. I did try looking in the quick start guide for this info, but there was no info regarding color change, so I think the only option to change the color is to do it with the computer. The next few clips will be the sound test for both the Rosewood switch and the Stellar Rose switch. Because it's a rapid disassembly keyboard, taking apart this board is super easy. After removing the knob, you can pull the top case off within a few seconds and with no effort at all. Rapid disassembly in keyboards work by using a ball catch design which effectively latches the bottom casing to the top casing, almost like snapping two pieces together. This eliminates the need for screws, making this super easy to disassemble. I added 2 layers of tape mod into this board, which helped make the sound slightly more poppy than stock. I do find that adding a tape mod to the Rosewood switches brings up the soft and deep sound more. Truthfully, I did find the Rosewood switches sound a little bit flat in this board, and tape modding it made it 10 times better, which is great because modding this keyboard is so quick and easy. Notice that the bottom of the case is quite shallow, making it tougher to add any more case mods without removing the foams that come with the keyboard already. I did try to add another 3mm thick pour-on foam to make the filling slightly denser, but the case wouldn't snap together, so adding more filling is definitely limited. I purchased these keycaps a few months ago hoping to make an all-white keyboard one day, and finally the day has come. These keycaps are from AliExpress, purchased on Black Friday last year. Intending to give away a set to one of my viewers, I purchased 2 sets. I will be giving away these in the near future, just haven't been able to come up with any details yet, but they are sitting by my desk waiting for the rightful owner. In the next clip, there will be a final sound test. Thanks for watching, please like and share this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already.